Sabi ni Juna dito, mas mahirap talaga tanggapin pag nag-fail ka sa isang bagay. Lalo na conscious ka sa mga sacrifices mo at sa hard work na inilaan mo doon. And that's life. And yes, wala nang masasakit pa doon sa pag-build ng expectation mo kasabay ng put mo ng hard work, but life does not care about the emotions, the intent behind it. Life cares about result. And as harsh as it may sound, it is what it is. Now, the beauty of this failure is that hindi nagtatapos dito yon. Pwede mong tanongin yung sarili mo, anong pwede mong matutunan doon sa failure? Because this failure is traumatic. Diba? But, you can do something about that trauma. Depende sa kung ano yung huhugutin mo from that trauma. Are you going to keep on pulling or hugutin yung emotions behind this event? Or huhugutin mo yung lesson na pwede mong dalhin para sa next attempt mo doon sa goal na gusto mong marating. This is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check whether we could work together towards our goal. Have a good day.